You've waited for it, and now it is almost here. Skipping Adolescence is coming out next week, September 1st. Now you may be thinking to yourself, what will it be like to get my own copy? If you get it in Kindle, it's going to be a lot like this. It'll be pretty easy. So that's what it's like on Kindle. But what will it feel like to get it in print? I just got a preview copy of the book, and I haven't opened it yet. You want to open it together? I thought so. Boom, upside down. There it is. Now this still has the not for resale because again, this is a proof, and this allows me to just kind of check inside. Here's a little preview of some of the action in here. Cool charts. Oh yes, quite happy with this, how this has turned out. Also, for the first time ever, have produced a workbook to go with the original book. I actually have unique, original content in here, which is pretty awesome just on its own. A lot of the system that we've employed has involved being intentional about carving out that one-on-one time with our kids and being creative about how we do that. So actually over the next few days, as we get closer and closer to the book's release, I'll be putting out short videos talking through how to maximize your one-on-one time with your kids. And this is based on material that's found at the very end of the workbook. So you can look for those starting tomorrow.